The Pokopan Warriors, Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko are ever ready to face Pando Heart of Lions. After making it possible to get a slight win over Brecum Chelsea in their 21st week at Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube is also ready to update you all the facts. Let's listen to Coach Prosper Ogum Nade, what he has for us.
I think it was a very physical game, very energy sapping game, looking at the manner in which Chase.
He made it clear that it was a physical tight game for them, but they managed to get the maximum 3 points. So Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko are going to train on physical abilities to face Pando Heart of Lions. Catch all the highlights, all the actions on Asante Kotoko XC on YouTube. Subscribe, leave your comment with your location, share the links, and like our videos. This is Baby Rooney reporting for Asante Kotoko XC on YouTube. Thank you and thanks for watching.